enhancing augmentative communication with Camtasia. The future is progressing more and more with technology. Education is being enhanced in astronomical ways with new innovations. But who benefits from all these technological innovations? Both teacher and student. There are many programs currently being marketed that facilitate both teaching and learning. As we face a group of students that are inundated with iPods, cell phones, and computers, we now have an added tool to help re-emphasize our lectures in class time. Camtasia. Camtasia is an excellent high-tech augmentative communication tool that can be used in the classroom and for reinforcement of lessons at home. With Camtasia, lectures can now be multidimensional and provide students a multifaceted way to review in-class lectures at home and on the go. But what does Camtasia do? Camtasia is a screen recording program that is used to capture presentations. Camtasia can be used to record PowerPoint presentations, video, audio, and any task that is being performed on a computer. Camtasia is not a camera. It is a simple software program that runs right on your PC. Camtasia also saves your product or your final product in multiple formats, whether it be for the web, a blog, a CD or data disk, an iPhone, an iPod, or even YouTube. Your students can put your lectures on a USB stick and take it home, or you can upload it for the web and your students have access to the lecture. Camtasia uses a very simple interface. Anyone who has used any editing or video editing software in the past will see that much of it is very similar to what they may have used. There is a video timeline where you may edit your video and your audio. All of your recordings will be saved into the clip bin. Therefore, you can simply pull your recordings down into the timeline and make your presentation. Once you are done, you simply export your video to the format that you like and you're done. Here is a sample lecture that was recorded.
Today we're learning about FileZilla. Let me close this. You're going to see this one program called FileZilla FTP Client. You guys see that? FileZilla FTP Client. Please go ahead and click on the
Now,
FileZilla.
as you can see, the lecture was recorded in whole.
Press OK.
That lecture was later posted on the school server and every student had access to that lecture. This lecture could have also been posted online. Camtasia can be used as part of a universal design learning system. Every student can benefit. Camtasia provides students who have different learning styles a visual aid to classroom instruction. It also benefits students that may have been absent or students that are homebound. This program also allows you to create closed captions to attach to your presentations. If any student has a difficulty with auditory learning, they can go back to the lecture repeatedly and captivate what they may have missed. The ability to review and rewind what was said in a lecture gives students the power to refresh what they may have missed or misunderstood, and provides students the ability to learn at their own pace. Other students that can benefit from the program are medical homebound students, distance learning students, and those who are absent from class. Parents also have access to class lectures. If you were to set a website with your videos, you would simply upload your video that was formatted for the web, and a parent can go back and help the student review, understand, or clarify anything that your student or their student may have missed. Advantages for using Camtasia. The teacher advantages are that you can record a live presentation or a lecture in advance. If you know that you're going to be absent on a certain day, you can simply record your lecture and have the substitute play it. You can also use the built-in Flash quizzes feature in Camtasia. Those quizzes can also measure the retention of your video or your presentation. These quizzes will then be emailed to you. The results will come to you in a simple email. This program also interacts very well with PowerPoint. In fact, the video that you are watching now is being recorded using Camtasia. Once you're done, you can also use screencast.com. It is a service provided by the people who make Camtasia to upload your videos. The student advantages are various. A student can watch a previously missed lecture. It also allows students to have a visual aid of class instruction. You can include closed captioning, and students with auditory learning weakness can review a previous lecture. This is also extremely beneficial to those students who may be on medical homebound, distance learning students, or a student that may have been absent access to those lectures. Although Camtasia is a great program, there are some disadvantages. There is a learning curve to this program, and you must have some prior experience with technology and minor video editing. It is a bit time consuming to edit, and it is a bit costly as well. It runs about $299. Some of the videos may also use up a lot of computer space, so you must have some space. There are some student disadvantages as well. They must have a computer to access the video. They must have some sort of technological experience to be able to access them as well, because if they can't find it, then they will not be able to use it.